shifting to different direction. One thing we didn't mention is really basically the Green Page, and people, for people to hear from you, the Green Page and what that is about and what it includes. I know you mentioned it earlier, but just for the purpose of clarification, if we just jump in there a little bit.
Sure.
And we can go back and forth into topics because we don't want to go with one topic.
Yeah, that's true. The whole idea of a Green Pages, if you go to the Jewish community, and let's say somebody's looking for an attorney. Does he look for African American directory, or you think he looks at Jewish community directory? He look for Jewish community.
Obviously, yeah.
So if right now, I'm buying a property in Minnesota, my agent is an Oromo. So my idea is why can't we trade a market and network among one ourselves? You know what I mean? So for that to happen, Oromo Green Pages would give you the highest exposure to a very concentrated market of Oromos. We're going to distribute it highly among Oromos, and it's going to be in wherever Oromos reside, churches, mosques, whatever, those books would be available. So that would show you that your product or your services are going to be directed to Oromos. At the same time, if you are a consumer, if you have a choice to give $2 for the same product, whether you give it to this conglomerate company or you give it to Oromo, we're giving you a choice. We're not telling you go to Oromo because for the sake of Oromo. If the Oromo guy who's advertised on Oromo Green Pages does not give you service, heck with him. You have no obligation to him. But if he's competitive, he's giving you the same product, we're telling you, could we reinvest within ourselves? So that's one of the things I want to emphasize from the advertiser point of view. For people who just list their business, it's a win-win position for us. You're not losing anything as a business owner. All you're doing is you're expanding your market. You're actually giving it to a market that's really targeted market that you have. And the same thing for the consumer aspect. You're going to feel good. Like if you're going to go to a restaurant to eat some good food, I mean, give a guy. If it's an Oromo guy, you come to Oregon, you don't know what to look for. Look there, if there's a restaurant, give that Oromo guy a chance. So that's the kind of stuff Oromo Green Pages is trying to do, and all they have to do is go to oromogreenpages.com and submit the business for free. If they have if they want to advertise a full page, half page ads, whatever, there's instruction in there that can help them out as well.
Nice. Basically, you say, you know what, you're gonna buy a product one way or the other, whether it's a sandwich or anything, and if you can buy from the multinational corporation or the home business of one Oromo person, and if you're gonna get the same benefit and pay the same amount,
it's no brainer.
Why not support your family, right?
Exactly.